Najimprav Naba Ang, Pagtatagalag, Ang Joa Con Indiano.
Bakit mahal mo?
Because I love you?
Wala.
Ay, wala.
Putek.
Ano? Ano kailangan mo?
Ano, bakit?
Anong kailangan mo?
Anong kailangan mo?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Yeah.
Ako, dessert.
Ano? Ano?
Ako, kailangan dessert.
I want me to get you.
Wala.
Anong wala? Hindi.
Hindi.
Wala is nothing.
Hindi. Kailangan manginasal today? Bakit kailangan manginasal today?
Bakit kailangan mong inasal today? Hapunan. Dinner. For hapunan.
Bakit manginasal ba?
Because they like mong inasal? What the hell? Why are you questioning mong inasal?
I'm trying to learn Tagalog.
Yeah, and you're questioning me like...
From now on, whenever I'm in the car, that's my learning time for Tagalog.
Mhm.
Yeah, why does it have to be manginasal?
Because they like it nga. What the hell?
How about you? But you don't like na.
I like it too.
And whenever I ask you, shall I order manginasal, you always say no.
Yeah, because that time I don't like it.
Then you don't like it, diba? Ano, kain?
Sweet and spicy dilis and salted egg with tomatoes and onion.
Bakit?
Ano bakit?
Bakit salted onion egg?
Because I don't have ulam, mahal.
Pwede yung Tagalog ang gay.
Kasi wala akong ulam.
Kasi ako wala ulam.
Yeah.
Sige.
I just opened
Bakit?
this.
Bakit wala ulam? Bakit wala ulam?
Dilis. Because wala ulam, mahal.
Bakit? Putik.
Ano kasi? Kasi ano? They didn't cook ba?
Bakit wala cooking?
Because my dad is so lazy and watching some series.
Bakit your dad needs to cook?
Because he's the one who's cooking in the
Your
house.
dad hindi kailangan cooking?
He's the one who cooks in the house.
Ako?
Yeah, ako si Abhishek.
Ako si Abhishek.
Yeah, I'm Abhishek. I am Abhishek.
Wala. Hindi.
Anong hindi? Ikaw nga eh. Ikaw si Abhishek.
Ako, Angge Mahal.
Huh?
Angge Mahal.